Good afternoon, Team Beast, and for those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast, and this is some other work I forgot to film. All the processes so far, because I got caught up in so much stuff today. That's right, Team Beast. Today, the 7th. Oh, that should say it all. It's been a busy day. I've had to do 50 projects and all that today, but I didn't. I got up early, got breakfast, got myself weighed, 474.6 to be exact, down from 504.4. Yay, team. But yeah, like it said, I got so busy today. I had to do a demo video for how to print on wood. I had to do my weight loss video. I had to print out some patterns for some shoes I got to make. And I had to help with some embroidery stuff. And mainly just working numbers. And yeah, so in the middle of all of this and doing everything, I went through doing some stuff on the cartridge pouch. Now you see I've got holes punched in for sewing. It's all hand sewn, you know, and I got punches here, the holes, everything. I've wet formed the sides now to fit in. I got my maker's mark on the back. Yes, this box is double the size of a normal cartridge box. You can actually fit a box of shotgun shells in here and a couple of... I had to recreate this from pictures, flat 2D pictures, and the dimensions of the cartridge tins that go inside the box. If you'd like a period correct one later, I will go ahead and redo this pattern and do it for him. I accidentally doubled it, so it would hold 4 cartridge boxes actually. This one was going to be a late war cartridge box, modeled after a Confederate 68 caliber cartridge box. This was going to not have the tool pouch on the front or the secondary inner flap. It was just going to have the outside flap, just the belt loops, not the shoulder straps or the buckles for it. Because in late war, you would find some of them just wearing it on the belt loops. Pieces would be missing, parts off the front would be missing. Because at the time, it got worn out. It was put through the wringer. So, that's what this one was going to be. And ding dong me. Somewhere in just, I guarantee it was a matter of another day like this where I had just too many projects going on and not focusing on the one. But you can actually fit a box of 12 gauge shotgun shells in here, or like 3 boxes of 410. Yeah, so I've still got a little bit to go on it. Tomorrow I will be taking the front flap, because there's a theme with this. It's all black and it's tooled with a Mexican floral pattern. I'm going to be transferring designed to flow with this pattern of the flap. So that's what's coming up. And then once I tool this, I can then sew the flap to the back of the cartridge box. Comes across here where it's sewn. I can then take the belt loops, slide them into their slots, pin them, glue them through the tips, sew them in place, on both sides, and then rivet them to the back of the cartridge box. Right back down here. And then there we are. So, I know I said so many times already. Once I get all of these tooled, and these are dry tomorrow, I can take these off and separate them again. I need to open the holes with a awl. I need to stain it, or actually I need to oil the bag first, the box. I need to oil all the parts, so that way it gets oils back into the leather from all the water and everything that's going to be dealing with. Then I will stain it with black, with neatswood oil. I'll be warming it up, because it's better if you apply neatswood oil when it's warm, stain and all that. And it has sat for a couple of days and is nice and dry. I can then seal it with some super sheen and then let that dry again. And then I can sew it all together. This one's been pretty broken up. But it'll be the first piece out of what needs to be done. Will be done. I need to order the belt buckle. For the belt, I'll be doing a 2-inch belt. I'm going to get probably started next on the ammo pouch, ammo box, leather pistol pouch, I think it is, yeah. Something like that. I've already got the pattern cut out. I'll get that put together and get that done. And then I'll work on the Slim Jim holster, and I'll do the belt last. So, that's it for now. I'm tired. I'm sorry I didn't get a better video for this. I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys later. But as always, like, comment, subscribe. And say hello to Allison. Oh yeah, one thing before I go. We now do, let's see, where are they? Are they behind me? Yeah, right there. Hand me those, please.
Coasters?
Yep. Thank you. We now, I know it's a shameless plug right now, to do coasters. The little 1/8 inch wooden coasters with the cork on the back of them. I need to put cork on these. But like this one, these are just samples. Or you could actually order this one if you'd like. This is a Beast Capacity Outdoors coaster right here. I really love a good thwack because you know the sound an arrow makes when it hits the target back. And then of course, shameless plug, Beast Capacity Outdoors, Facebook and YouTube. And of course, my Leatherworks, DB13 Leatherworks. So those are basically showing you we can do logos, we can do custom logos, stuff like that. If you're a YouTuber and you'd like some of this swag, let me know. We can do that for you as well. We can do color, not just black ink, but we can do color. So if you got a color business logo you want, we can put it on here. If you like animals, we can do animals. If you got a picture of your favorite pet or pets, we can photo transfer those pets' picture onto the wood. And of course, you know, for those old-fashioned types, I've got a black cast iron cauldron. So, you know, those are just some things that we can do. Sitting here drinks on these should not be a problem. They come with the cork backing. You can get them in sets of either 4 coasters or sets of 6 coasters. The 4 coaster set is $20. The 6-piece set of coasters is $25. So I will have the up on Etsy the next few days. So yeah, there you go, something new from Peace Capacity Outdoors. And if you want, get your beastie slag. So yeah, you know what I need to put on one? I need to have a set that's got this. Yeah, our favorite saying, be good, be kind, Team Beast. Actually, I think it'd just be good, be kind.